Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Mitsubishi Lancer faster. We'll begin by exploring foundational upgrades that offer significant improvements without breaking the bank. Enhancing your engine's breathing with a high-flow air intake and a less restrictive exhaust system is a great first step. Following these, a professional engine tune can unlock hidden power by optimizing fuel delivery and ignition timing, ensuring your Lancer performs at its best. Next, let's focus on handling. Upgrading your Lancer's suspension with coilovers or lowering springs significantly improves cornering ability and overall stability. Pairing these with high-performance tires will give you much better grip on the road, reducing stopping distances and enhancing responsiveness. Consider lighter wheels to further reduce unsprung weight, which benefits both acceleration and the car's agility. As your Lancer gets faster, upgrading your braking system becomes essential for safety. Performance brake pads and rotors provide much better stopping power. For a significant boost in engine output, consider forced induction like a turbocharger or supercharger kit. These can add a substantial amount of horsepower. Don't forget an upgraded intercooler to keep air temperatures down, ensuring consistent power delivery. Finally, remember that consistent maintenance is key to preserving your Lancer's enhanced performance and reliability. Always ensure that any significant modifications are installed by qualified professionals to guarantee safety and optimal function. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. These steps will help you enjoy your faster, more responsive Mitsubishi Lancer for many miles to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.